Welcome back to Space and Mystery. Some of the most breathtaking sights in the universe aren't just stars or galaxies, they're planetary nebulae. These stunning clouds of gas and dust are like cosmic art, created by stars as they come to the end of their lives. What is a planetary nebula? A planetary nebula is what's left after a star, similar in size to our Sun, runs out of fuel. As the star nears its end, it sheds its outer layers, leaving behind a glowing shell of gas that can stretch across light years. These vibrant, colourful formations can last tens of thousands of years, making them visible cosmic relics. Why are they called planetary nebulae? The term planetary nebula is a bit misleading. These nebulae have nothing to do with planets. Early astronomers using small telescopes thought they looked a bit like distant, blurry planets. So the name stuck, even though we now know they're the remains of dying stars. How planetary nebulae form. The process begins when a star runs out of hydrogen fuel and swells into a red giant. As it continues to burn through its remaining elements, the outer layers become unstable and are ejected into space. This creates a glowing shell around the hot, dense core, forming what we see as a planetary nebula. The exposed core, now a white dwarf, releases intense radiation that lights up the surrounding gases, creating the nebula's brilliant colors. The stunning colors of planetary nebulae come from different gases. Hydrogen gives off red or pink hues, oxygen shines in blues and greens, and nitrogen glows with hints of red and violet. Together, these elements create a cosmic color palette that's as unique as it is beautiful. Planetary nebulae aren't just colorful. They come in intricate shapes and patterns. Some are spherical, while others look like butterflies, eyes, or hourglasses. These shapes are influenced by the star's rotation, magnetic fields, and interactions with any companion stars. Every planetary nebula has its own unique shape, making each one a cosmic fingerprint of the star that created it. Some planetary nebulae have become famous for their beauty and distinctive shapes. The Ring Nebula looks like a cosmic donut. The Dumbbell Nebula is shaped like a weight, and the Eskimo Nebula resembles a face surrounded by a fur hood. Each one tells its own story about the life and death of a star. Planetary nebulae are beautiful but temporary. Over tens of thousands of years, the gas expands and fades, eventually dispersing into space. What remains is a white dwarf, the star's dense, cooling core. These white dwarfs will quietly fade over billions of years, ending the life cycle of the star. Even after they fade, planetary nebulae leave a legacy. The gas and elements they release mix into interstellar space, where they can become part of new stars, planets, and maybe even life. It's all part of a beautiful cosmic cycle of death and rebirth. Planetary nebulae are reminders that even in death, stars create beauty. They're cosmic works of art that showcase the incredible, ever-changing nature of the universe. Thank you for joining us to explore the artistry of planetary nebulae. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more cosmic discoveries and space facts.